Fellow Kenyans, today we have recorded 95 positive cases out of 1,096 samples that we tested in the past 24 hours. The total number of cases in the country to date is 2,862, and the overall samples tested so far is 98,439. Mombasa, 56 cases. Nairobi, 13 cases. Busia, 10 cases. Kajiado, 6 cases. Kilifi, 3 cases. Kitui, Kwale, Garissa, and Marsabit each have 1 case. Note that Marsabit becomes the latest county to join that rank of counties that have reported a positive case, bringing the total number of the 47 counties in our country that now have recorded a positive case to 38. The cases are distributed in the following sub-counties. We begin with Mombasa with the highest, 56 cases. We find that 22 are from Mvita, 13 from Changamwe, 7 from Nyali, 6 from Kisauni, 5 from Likoni, and 3 from Jomvu. In Nairobi, the 13 cases are from Kibra 10, Langata, Kasarani, Dagoretti North, each have 1 case. In Busia, 9 of the 10 recorded cases are of truck drivers from Malaba border point, while Busia border point has 1 case. In Kajiado, the 6 cases are from Kajiado town. The 6 cases are from Kajiado town, 3, Kajiado East 2, and Kajiado North 1. In Nyeri, all 3 cases are of healthcare workers from Nyeri Central. In Kilifi, the 3 cases are from Kilifi North, while Kitui has 1 case from Kitui Central, Kwale 1 case from Sambweni, Garissa 1 case from Dadaab, and Marsabit 1 case from North Hall. In terms of gender, 57 of these 95 are males, and the remaining 38 are females. The youngest is a 1-year-old child, while the